All right, number 10, you're going to solve each formula for the indicated value. So for the first one, we're asking to solve for h. Okay, so right here, this is the h we're solving for. Okay, let's draw the line down that middle so we can separate the left from the right. So right now, we have a 2 pi r that is all attached via multiplication. So I have to get rid of it. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to divide, because that is the inverse of multiply, by 2 pi r. The 2 over 2 will cancel. The pi over pi cancels. The r over r cancels. Let's just make sure we do that to the right-hand side as well. Once we have this, we are just left over with an h on the right. This is going to be equal to s over 2 pi r. There you go. All right, next, let's solve for h, but for the v here, this is the volume. Okay, so we have to deal with this divide by 3 first. Okay, how do you get rid of a divide by 3? Well, we're going to multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. The divide by 3 and the multiply by 3 cancels, because look, 3 over 3 becomes the number 1. Okay, that is why. This becomes 3v is equal to b over h. The h is still not alone. We have this b that is attached via multiplication. So let's divide b to both sides. B over b does cancel, making the number 1. So we'll just have h. So we have 3v is divided by b is the height. Next, we have F here. This is actually the formula for the Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion for chem. We're trying to solve for this C. So we have the plus 32 here. So let's get rid of that first. Okay. Do not deal with the fraction here. We're going to make it more worse. Subtract 32, subtract 32. Plus 32 minus 32 cancels. We have F minus 32 is equal to 9 over 5c. We want to now get rid of the 9 divided by 5. I'm going to do this in one step. I'm going to multiply this by the inverse, 5 over 9. Because look, 5 over 5 will cancel, right? 5 over 5 will cancel. And 9 over 9 will also cancel because they all make the number 1. That's why I multiplied by that inverse. So I'm going to multiply this by also the inverse, 5 over 9. But put this in a parentheses because there are 2 terms here. So we are left over with C on the right, which is Celsius. On the left-hand side, we have 5 over 9 times F minus 32. This is actually the formula for Celsius. Celsius is 5/9 times the Fahrenheit minus 32. There we go.